Hola, ¿qué tal? Muy buenas a todos, chicos. Estoy con el comienzo de una nueva serie en el canal, con el juego de Amazing Spider-Man. Espero que les guste. Like y favoritos a los vídeos de esta nueva serie. Suscríbanse si no lo están para no perderse ningún capítulo. Y bueno, cualquier opinión, duda, comentario, lo que quieran, déjenlo en los vídeos. Espero que les guste y comencemos con el juego.
Hey there.
Hey.
Thanks for coming with me, Pete. You're brave. We're gonna have to be careful here. I'm not supposed to be here after hours.
I hope it's better than the first time I snuck in. That was not fun.
We're not sneaking. We're investigating. Weird things happen here after hours. Stuff that Dr. Smythe's trying to get rid of. He's not a bad guy, you know? He wants to turn this company around.
Yeah, that's what the video said. So, what exactly is rotten in the state of Oscorp?
I think they're continuing Dr. Connor's work. Cross-species experiments. Come on.
Whoa now. Like, making more lizards?
Making more everything. I'm not sure, but we're gonna find out tonight. Oscorp has the geniuses and the resources. Why can't it be a benefit to people? That's why I came back. And Dr. Smythe wants to change things.
I know. His brilliant research will usher in a new era for all humanity.
Huh. Okay, just wait a second.
Природа к человеку, человек к машине, дорога в будущее.
Well, we're definitely safe out here, because we'll never get in.
We're in.
Развивающийся организм.
Keep your head down.
Настоящий лидер. Благодаря доктору Алексу Смайту.
Wow! Look at all this. I knew Dr. Smythe was the nanobot guy, but I had no idea he had big bots too. I can't believe you get to play with this stuff every day.
It never gets old.
Whoa, what is that?
Oh my god. This could be proof they're continuing Connor's work.
You were the one that had the sedata. How can he still move like that? I'm sorry. I gave him everything we had.
Is everyone okay? Gwen? You all right?
Yeah, thanks, Dr. Smythe.
Hey, you kids are in big trouble. What are you doing
It's
here?
okay. It's okay. They're with me. What are you doing here, Gwen? You know you're not supposed to be here after hours. Especially with a guest.
Dr. Smythe, I am so sorry. This is my friend, Peter Parker.
Peter Parker. I've heard about you.
I'm hearing a lot about you tonight.
So, why are you here?
I'm totally to blame, Doc. I'm amazed at what you've done with Oscorp. When I heard about the changes you were making, nanobots, I wanted to see them for myself.
You worked with Connors, right? Funny finding you here now as I waste my time trying to dispose of these cross-species.
So this is a cross-species? You promised me that all of Connor's work was over. How many more do we keep here?
I told you the truth, Gwen. The experiments have stopped, just not as early as I'd hoped. No more humans turning into animals like Connors did. But what you see here is what happens when an animal gets a nice dose of human DNA. Here, follow me. I trust you'll keep everything you see in the strictest confidence.
Another one of these cross-species?
This is crazy. The lizard almost destroyed the city. What rational mind would continue to create these things?
Changing the ethics of a large corporation takes time. Now, some scientists argue that these pathetic creatures have some benefit, but they lost that argument. As of tonight, these cross-species disappear. We're shipping them to our biolab for safe disposal. Out of sight, out of mind.
Has this thing eaten today?
It always looks like that. They went farther with Connor's work than we realized. The species in this room are incredibly dangerous. is highly contagious. Hence the containment units.
Hey, where'd he go? Come on out, little fella.
That little fella is a walking disease. Any direct contact with it leads to infection. Infection leads to death. Or becoming a cross-species yourself. I want to keep you human, Parker. Let's keep moving.
Is there a cure?
Well, for these things, no. They were never human to begin with. They were born in a petri dish. For the poor humans it infects, unfortunately not. Attempts to develop an antidote have been unsuccessful. I don't want to seem cruel, but you have to understand, that thing is pure vermin. Creatures like this brought Europe to its knees with the plague.
Wow. I don't think he likes me.
That's strange. It only reacts like that when it's around other... I mean...
Other handsome guys like me? I'm used to it.
Unlike robots, biological creatures are unpredictable. I much prefer things I can control.
Unpredictable, huh? What is that? An iguana? This has to be the strangest office tour I've ever been on.
Don't worry, Parker. Our next stop is the nanobot lab. Once you see it, you won't want to leave.
Excuse me, Dr. Smythe. I need someone with special clearance to help me take this down to B sector.
I don't have time for this. Gwen, maybe it's a good thing you're here. You can deal with some of this bureaucratic nonsense. A punishment for trespassing. Go with him and catch up with us when you're done.
Doctor, I think I'll escort her. You know, make sure she doesn't get eaten.
I understand. The beast is as enthralled by beauty as man is. Meet me in the lab when you're done. And don't wander. It's an order, Miss Stacy?
Sure, Dr. Smythe. Come on, Pete.
Great meeting you, Doctor.
Likewise, Parker.
Is that... You gotta be kidding me. That's taking things a little far, isn't it?
It's a terrible legacy, but Dr. Smythe says we're putting it in the past. I believe him.
What the what?
What did you do to it?
I didn't do anything.
Peter, I think it senses your blood. It knows.
It's clearly reacting to something. I've never... Oh my god! You're breaking the glass! It's breaking out!
This is my fault. I shouldn't have brought you here.
I can help.
Dr. Smythe, something is wrong. This resident inventory is breaking out.
They're all breaking. Everyone evacuate now.
Help!
Yeah, I'll sign a waiver later. I can help.
Everyone get out of here. I'm activating my security.
Sorry, you've got to clear this area.
I'm not leaving you.
Dr. Connors started this, and I want to finish it on my terms. Peter, you can't help.
Someone else can.
One. The rat. We've got to put a stop to it.
What do we do?
Emergency shutdown. My robots take control now.
What are you doing? What?
Peter! Peter!
No. This can't be happening. No. Gwen, look at me. Gwen!
Emergency shutdown initiated. Section 3.
How do we open this thing?
No. Section 313.
Bueno, chicos, ya estoy de vuelta. Y ahora sí, comencemos a jugar de verdad. Vamos familiarizándonos con los botones. Este es el juego para PC y lo estoy usando con un mando que funciona como el de Xbox. Así que por eso me pone las ayudas como si fuese un juego de Xbox. Y bueno, esperemos a que nos abran esta puerta. Ok. Vale, ahora sí. Tenemos que llevar a Gwen a una zona segura. Porque le ha mordido un monstruo de esos. Muy bien. Estamos aprendiendo poco a poco a controlar el personaje. Ups, robots. Venga,
Every robot have to attack me?
comencemos la pelea. Busquemos algo con que lanzarles a los robots. No tenemos nada, así que vamos a tener que pelear con cada uno de ellos.
Okay, Gwen. I'm a light packer. Time to get out of here.
Vale, ahí están, han sido fáciles los primeros robots. Así que... ¿dónde está Gwen? Aquí está. Vale. Y la llevamos por aquí. Vale, perfecto. No, por aquí.
Right. Oscorp security system. Quarantine's on the other side. Stay here, Gwen. I'll come back to get you.
Vale, a ver, interactuamos con esta máquina. Vale, nos ha abierto la puerta, pero tenemos que pasar por donde no está la seguridad activa, porque nos detectan y se vuelve a cerrar la puerta. Vale, tenemos que hacerlo mejor. Interactuamos nuevamente, esperamos a que se abra la puerta. Y ahora sí, a ver, sí, ahora sí, ya está. Hemos logrado abrir la puerta sin problemas. Ya estas ventiladores o turbinas, como le quieran llamar, pues tenemos que lanzarles un poco de tela de araña para obstruirlos. Vale, aquí tenemos otro de estas máquinas para interactuar. Y hemos conseguido abrir la siguiente puerta. Y lo mismo que en el anterior, pues tenemos que burlar la seguridad. Vale, ahí está. Y aquí tenemos que salir por los conductos de ventilación. Ups, tenemos más robots a la vista. Vamos analizando. Vale, el último robot ya casi está. Y ya está. Vale, ¿qué más? Vale, aquí tenemos una puerta abierta. Y ya podemos recoger a Gwen.
Thanks, Pete.
Vale, le llevamos a la zona segura. Esto será algo así como una enfermería o algo así.
I need to get the others before this really gets out of hand.
Pete, I think we
Se ha
both
infectado
know this is already out of hand.
por la mordedura que ha
Dr. Smith
recibido.
will have some answers. Find him.
I'll try, but Gwen, I have to ask. What's gonna happen? To you?
I don't know, but it's not going to be good. I'm infected, Pete. We all are. You remember what happened to Connors? This only leads to one thing.
But what about the antidote? If it worked before, then...
Connors was exposed to an earlier strain. You couldn't even call it a virus back then. It's evolved, mutated. There's no antidote to cure this.
What if I stop all the cross species?
There's no question they should be stopped, but even if they are, there's still a risk that the virus will spread.
Gwen, stay calm. I'm not gonna let anything happen to you, okay? We'll figure it out. I'll find Dr. Smythe and the others. Hopefully, it's not too late.
Wait, Peter. Take the Ozphone on the table.
The what?
It's the name of the Oscorp phone. It's still a prototype, but at least I'll be able to call you.
Okay. I'll get back as soon as I can.
Vale, pues hemos subido de nivel, tenemos una mejora de tecnología disponible y vamos a hacer la mejora lo más pronto posible. Vale, estas son las mejoras. Daño de ataques. Pues vamos a subir esto. Hemos utilizado nuestro punto de mejora y tenemos que hacerlo así con todos los puntos de mejora que vayamos teniendo. No es bueno acumularlos porque tardamos más en destruir a nuestros adversarios, ¿vale? Y ahora estamos hablando con el Dr. Connors, el lagarto. Bueno chicos, pues os recomiendo que vean la película. Y esto es como la continuación a la película, ¿vale? La película está súper interesante. Os lo recomiendo. Vale, pues ahora ¿dónde estamos? Manhattan, 4 horas después del incidente. Población afectada 125, dice. Vale, pues vamos dando saltos por la ciudad.
Peter?
Gwen, you okay?
I don't know. I have to stay at Oscorp till we find an antidote. We can't risk spreading the infection to the outside.
I know someone who can help.
Be careful, Pete. Dr. Smythe is programming his robots to capture all cross species. That may include you.
Whoa! What is that?
Vale, vamos a acceder al móvil. Y en el mapa nos muestra con una estrella marcada la misión principal. Vale, así que tenemos que dar la vuelta e ir hasta el parque. Vale, pues ya estamos aquí.
As you can see, the creature has stopped its rampage in the center of the park. Now that we can have a good look, we can confirm
Ahí tenemos a la iguana que vimos antes, que se han escapado un montón de especímenes de estos. Una super araña robótica. Ups. No, objetivo es destruir el robot de Smythe. Muy bien. Hemos encontrado una de sus debilidades. Vale, ¿qué más? Tenemos que buscar puntos donde podamos pegarle y le debiliten al robot. Vale, aquí tenemos un punto rojo. Este, por ejemplo. Vale, muy bien. Y del otro lado tendrá otro. Así que tenemos que buscar la forma de atacarlo por ese lado. Por aquí. Exactamente por aquí. Detenemos un poco la vista y ya está. Muy bien. Vale, pues ¿qué nos falta ahora? Vamos a observarlo bien y buscar una buena posición de donde podamos atacar a este robot. Vale, vamos buscando, como les decía antes, una buena posición para destruir a este robot. Ups, nos hemos caído. Vale, aquí la he encontrado. Muy bien. Ya está. ¡Wow! Los ojos. Vamos a buscar una posición, como dije antes, donde sea fácil encontrarle el punto débil a este robot. Vale, en los ojos, miren. Detenemos un poco el tiempo. Y vale, vamos a pegarle en los ojos. Esquivamos. Y ya está. Ya casi. Vale, ahora el ojo derecho o izquierdo, depende de por dónde lo mires. Esquivamos nuevamente y lo arrancamos. Muy bien, ya está. Hemos dejado al robot ciego. Y ahora habilitado una especie de turbinas que tenemos que obstruirlas. Vamos a lanzarles un poco de tela de araña para dejarlas inservibles y que no pueda moverse el robot. Quitarle movilidad. Vamos a obstruir estas mini turbinas. Vale, pues aquí tenemos más. Una menos. Y con esta yo creo que bastará. Pues sí, ya está. Hemos tumbado al robot. Y ahora ¿qué nos falta? Vale, vamos a un lugar. Anda, mira, aquí en la cabeza. Ups. Pues va a ser destruida con su propio misil, ¿eh? Venga, saltamos. Muy bueno, objetivo completado. Tenemos una mejora disponible, espero que les haya gustado, like y favoritos al vídeo, suscríbanse si no lo están. Y nada, hasta el próximo gameplay.